What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're back with another one. Today, I want to give you guys some great information on traffic sources for your Digistore 24 affiliate marketing affiliate links. Okay. Now, if you haven't already, definitely be sure to subscribe, like the video, because we're going to be always dropping videos, giving you guys with updated knowledge to help you succeed in the affiliate marketing. So today with Digistore24, it's one of the largest growing affiliate marketing websites available right now at the moment. Now with Digistore24, it's not like your normal CPA marketing where you're getting paid to basically get people to fill out forms and links and things like that. Where you kind of just got to draw a lot of traffic and get people to complete certain actions. They actually have something, products basically, a bunch of products that people have come to and joined with Digistore24. So they have digital products, different software, events, physical products, and a lot more. And the great thing about it is that they have these products in just about any niche you could think of. It's plenty of niches and it's plenty of products. Okay, so it depends on which niche you're going for. We'll definitely come up with videos allowing you to see exactly which niches are profitable and which ones will be profitable and how to find those profitable ideas. So, as you know, we do a lot of things now with AI. Of course, you got Chat GPT out that helps us write a lot of our content. It gives us a lot of blueprint ideas, uh, keyword ideas, full scopes of things. We've written back end plugins with it, and it's so much you could do that will elevate your affiliate marketing, and especially with Digistore 24. So, with Digistore 24 or any type of affiliate products, the main thing that you have to first concentrate on is the traffic. Okay. So without traffic, you have nothing. I don't care how much you've spent in producing your websites or your offers and have these long drawn out videos of some sort. If you don't have traffic, guys, you're not going to succeed. Bottom line. And from that, you could actually scale. You can see what's working, what's not working, and you could actually scale into what is working. So I'm going to be giving you 3 ways on how to gain some traffic. Okay. Now, if you're just starting off, you may not be able to go into the paid sources. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you 3 of my favorite free sources for traffic that will help you drive more people to your affiliate marketing sites. And like I say in all my videos, if you haven't, definitely start your website up, guys. It's easy. It's so easy. Get you a domain. I have links in the description where you can get you a domain and a website for $1 for the first year. So it's literally no reason. And I have tons of students and tons of people that are asking me always, how are you able to find this stuff? How are you able to start with so low of a budget? I don't have the money to do. Guys, $1. You can find $1 on the floor. You can find it in your car on the floor. I guarantee you. And get you a domain, a .com, and start your website. So the first powerful website for traffic for your Digistore links. Okay. Your first one you want to start with is Quora. Okay. Quora is such a powerful platform. I don't think people think that writing and Quora and some things is dead. This is an illusion, guys. Do not fall for this. In 2023, it's still a powerful traffic generating website with nearly 1 billion users every month. It's getting nearly 1 billion visitors every month. So if you're able to find your niche, which I'll show you, I'll walk you through the process. And also, if you haven't, definitely visit the website, okay, where we give you a free list and much more on exactly how you could get on this path of affiliate marketing so you could succeed and start generating you money, guys. You want to start this immediately, okay? This is powerful and it's happening. If you haven't started, it's never too late. Definitely get started, guys. So back to it. Quora allows you to actually niche down, find you a niche, and actually begin to write articles nearly. You can write posts on just about any niche you can think of, okay? And what's so powerful about this? What's so powerful about this? People are searching. If you have a new website, you could go on Quora, which is already a powerful website, number one. So they're going to rank much easier than your brand new website. So what you could do is start to use the tools that we provide you. Use some of the other tools that we also provide you on our website, guys. Free tools, paid tools, any tools that I'm using is on this website. And you have free access to them. You can go to Quora and begin to write and leave links and begin to draw traffic back to your affiliate marketing websites. Okay? And if you don't already, if you don't even have $1, guess what? I'm going to show you how you can start a free website. Okay? You may not have the custom domain, but you'll have a free site and it's already powerful enough to where you could start seeing some of your pages start to rank. Okay? And this is so powerful, guys. Traffic is the number one game. If you're not getting traffic, you don't have results. Okay? You can spend so much time, people spend so much time on the front end or starting to build a beautiful website and oh, I gotta get the pictures on there correct. That's the wrong way to start. Okay? Get you something going and start to test these things. Okay? Test them, and then you start to scale and update as you're starting to get results from the traffic and seeing what's converting, what's not converting. Okay? So the next powerful website. Okay. Next powerful website is Pinterest. Pinterest, guys. It's another one of those secret websites that people, if you know how to use it, you could get so much traffic from. Okay. Tons of my traffic comes from Pinterest. Just those two websites alone, I get tons of traffic for free. And you stay consistent, stay posting things, stay seeing what is trending, what's hot, and post these things and start drawing this traffic back to your Digistore24 offers. And all you have to do is stay consistent. Do the work. Do the work, okay? Because I guarantee you, you cannot do this for 30 days and not see the results, okay? So once you start down that path, seriously say you're gonna go ahead and do it, put your foot forward and start to generate content. See what's working, see what's not working, and you'll begin to scale, guys. Then once your money start coming in, you reinvest that into some of these other traffic sources that I'll be giving you. Okay? But it's so simple. Just start. I'm telling you. So once you begin to post on Pinterest, powerful website, also getting millions of views every month. Millions. And they rank, guys. These things rank in search engines. So that's the powerful thing. When you first start your website, these sites are actually ranking already. So what you could do is start posting. You could even link these things back to your website. Okay. So you start ranking and building that link juice back to your website. Start building traffic and you will start seeing results. Okay. So Pinterest is another thing. You can post videos, you can post pictures, And the thing is, once these people start to see your consistency, your keywords start to be relevant, you'll start getting traffic. Okay? You'll start receiving that traffic back to your affiliate sites. All right, so the last website, one of my favorite hidden gems. Okay, my favorite, one of my favorite. If you waited to the end, I guarantee you, you will love this website if you're not using it, especially for your Digistore24 traffic. Okay, last website, definitely not least, is Reddit, guys. Reddit. People think Reddit is dead. I've seen it. People don't know how to use it. People don't know how to get the karma points. I could get you karma points in a day. Okay, thousands of karma points. People, if you know how to scale and exactly what to look for, you can start driving this traffic back, guys. Reddit is one of those sites where it takes a little bit of communication. You do have to stay consistent with the different communities that's in Reddit. And also with Reddit, you have different communities based on your relevant niche. Okay, so depending on the product that you decide to go with, you'll be able to find you a niche that you could actually promote on all three of these sites. Okay, so you find you a group in Reddit, and I guarantee you they'll have several. So you just start building up. Don't get in there and start spamming your website or your link. That's not the way that's recommended. You will not get any success with that. What you want to do is get in here and start to interact and engage with people post, and then you could go in there and start to see what is actually trending, what is getting upvoted, what's getting your comments, and go in there and start to hack it. That's what I call it, reverse engineer it. So what you do is start to build out some of the similar things that's getting these results, and get in there and start posting. See how are people getting links? How are they getting engagement? How do you get somebody to ask for your link? Tons of messages are coming through daily. Hey man, send me that link you discussed in that post. Those are the ones that you want. Okay. And this is just 3 sites, guys. This is 3 sites. Guarantee you, if you do 3 of these sites for 30 days, posting on them every day, you will see success with your Digistore24. Okay. So I just want to wrap it up again, guys. If you haven't already, definitely be sure to subscribe, and also check out the website, guys. We are steadily updating this thing with everything that I'm learning, and that's the beautiful thing about it, especially with this AI. This thing's coming out literally daily. So if you're not up to game, if you thought you knew something last week, something may have changed this week. So you got to continuously update and love it. If you love doing it, just get on there and do it. Post some things. Find a niche. That's what I tell everybody. Find a profitable niche that you're interested in, something that you won't get burnt out on. Okay, and begin to post. Begin to post. Show things that's relevant. Get out here and make a difference. People out here, they are not surviving on their paychecks. I've helped tons of people get out of their jobs, doing affiliate marketing. This is what you want to do. It's online, and you your own boss, you know. What more can you ask for? So with those 3 sites, guys, definitely will help you. Okay, if you got some other sites, definitely be sure to comment those below. Any tips and tricks you guys got, post them below. I'm always open ears. I'm always learning, and I hope you are too. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Be blessed.